Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change font size in your phone Vivo Y16. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to display and brightness, then go to font and display size, and here you can increase the font size by moving the cursor to the right side. Okay, this is very large size, and click on home button and see the changes. Font size has been increased to what I have selected. See here, all fonts are in bigger size. If you want to decrease the font size, again go to the same settings and click on display and brightness and click on font and display size and move the cursor to the left side. The leftmost will be very small size. Go to the home screen and see the changes. Font size has been decreased now. See here. If you want to set to default font size, again go to the same settings and click on display and brightness and click on font and display size, and just you go to click on second one or click on restore default. See here, click on restore default, will go to the second pointer and it will set to default font size in your phone Vivo Y16. In this way you can easily increase or decrease font size in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.